So good evening, everyone. So myself, K. Prakash Babu, having almost 14 years of experience in Java and presently technical Java trainer in our DURGASOFT. Okay. Sir, here, what is this batch is nothing but the title of this course is CoreJava. Completely, we are going to talk about the complete CoreJava. So what is the fees for this batch is, sir, the fees is nothing but rupees 7,000. Okay, what is the fees for this batch? Rupees 7,000. Okay, sir, what is the contact number to whom we have to contact if I want to register for this course? Okay, 1 minute. I will post that number. Yeah, sir, 9246 212143. You can contact to this number. So for admission purpose. So then what is the duration? Okay, what is the duration of this course? How many days you are going to spend to complete this course? Sir, it is 8 to okay 8 to 10 weekends. 8 to 10 weekends. The classes will be there only on Saturdays and Sundays. The classes will be only on Saturdays and Sundays, and the timings of this session is, so Saturday and Sunday we have the session at 7 p.m. Okay, Saturday and Sunday we are going to have the session at 7 p.m. Okay, so this is nothing but what is the duration of this course. Okay, then so what is the syllabus? What benefits okay you are going to get along with this course? Okay, sir, yeah, that is also very important. So the time duration of the class, sir, minimum 2 hours will be there. So 2 hours to, so 2 hour 30 minutes, maximum 2 hours, 2 hours to 30 minutes will be there. Okay, that means you can expect approximately 7 to okay 8 9 10 3 hours I have mentioned, but meanwhile we will have some 2 15 minutes breaks. Okay, meanwhile we will have 2 15 minutes break, no problem at all. Okay, it is completely based on our convenient, sir. Okay, once if you join the course, we will frame a WhatsApp group or any other communication medium. From that we can have no issues at all. Okay, so what benefits you are going to get from this course? Okay, sir, very simple. Daily you are going to get running notes. So whatever notes we are going to cover, whatever topics we are going to cover, we are going to share these running notes for you people on daily basis. Okay, first point. So second thing, sir, even these recorded videos, every session is going to be recorded. These recorded videos will be given for you, sir, up to 7 months access. Minimum 7 months, up to 7 months access you will get, because these videos are not downloadable videos. You will get then. So here we are going to concentrate, sir, mainly on mainly on theory concepts with sir, understandable examples. I can say this word. So why I am taking understandable examples in the sense, see, meanwhile, everyone is going to explain you Java, and even you can see so much stuff will be there on the internet. But here we are going to explain every theory concept with some real-time examples, so that you can remember that concept very easily. And we will mainly focus on programming skills also. Programming skills in the sense, sir, coding. Okay, coding. So these coding minimum, sir, you can expect 100+ programs. So hands-on programs, that means, so these programs are not explained by myself. See, suppose if I am explaining a program to calculate so sum of natural numbers. So I will give you a program in different genres that you have to calculate a sum of even numbers, and you need to calculate a sum of odd numbers, and you need to calculate a sum of prime numbers, and you need to calculate a sum of, okay sir, non-prime numbers, I mean composite numbers, and you have to calculate a sum of the numbers so which are divisible by 3, okay, divisible by 3, some of the numbers which are divisible by 3, and so on. So these programs, see here, the concept is very simple, sir. So if you understand one problem, you can able to solve these kind of programs. So such type of programs I am going to give for you, so for practice purpose, okay. And mainly, so just for this batch I am introducing, we are going to see some multiple choice questions also, which is very tricky questions, sir. So tricky questions in the sense, for those questions, so you need to take some time to answer, okay. Seems to be the option is A, but the correct option will be B, okay. So such a type of things we are going to use, but probably I will take some platform to conduct quizzes, but so even if it is not there, we are going to cover some kind of multiple choice questions also. And after finishing of this course, we are going to see even new interview questions also. So every question along with answer, you can expect a complete document after completion of this session, okay. Not programming, only theoretical, okay. Sir, I request everyone to please don't switch on any video mode, because these sessions are going to be uploaded in the YouTube. That's why I request everyone to please actively participate and try to concentrate on the concepts what I am telling, okay. So this is nothing but what is the title of the course and how much duration it is going to take, and what about our pattern of the classes, and the benefits of this course also I clearly mentioned. Now, so what is a prerequisite for this? So if I want to learn this Java, so what things are required? Okay, what things are required is very, very important. Sir, first thing is nothing but very simple. You must require, sir, interest. Okay, interest on programming. You must have an interest on programming, especially if you want to learn Java. You must have very confident on the programming, sir. You should have a knowledge on programming. Okay. Then second thing, sir, basics of programming is required. Basics of programming is required. Maybe if you are a new person, if you are a new to the programming, then no problem, sir. Compulsory, you required some more effort, okay. Suppose after attending this session, you have to view this recorded video one more time, and if time permits, you have to write a clear notes on your own, and then you have to ask the doubts whatever you have, okay. So after completion of this class, I mean when we are coming to the next class, we will give 10 to 15 minutes for discussions and these quizzes. There you can ask whatever query you have, okay. So try to make it these kind of things, then this point is also you can able to ignore, okay. But the people who are coming from programming background, so they know everything already, that's why no issues at all, okay. So this is the only two things, sir. And moreover, sir, you have to attend the classes. You have to attend the classes regularly, okay. And sir, make notes by yourself. So some people are going to tell, sir, when you are sending, when completion of the course, if you send that running notes, we will take a printout and we will practice. No, sir. After completion of every topic, try to maintain one separate notebook for that. Try to write down whatever knowledge you are gaining on daily basis, so that happily you can able to understand this Java. Sir, if you follow these requirements while learning the Java, then make sure that you can able to become an expert in Java programming, nothing more than that, okay. Right. So I think max I covered almost whatever topics, I mean what is our course agenda, what things we are going to learn, okay. So before moving to the syllabus, so do you have any doubts about our actual plan? Yes, please. Sisindri, sir, I worked as a developer. I don't even know 10% of Java. That's why I'm here. It is useful for me. Yes, definitely. With zero knowledge in Java, you can come. You can learn. Any doubts? Please, sir. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Then I will go to the syllabus, whatever we are going to cover. Yes, please. If no doubts, please give me acknowledgement. Requesting everyone to respond. No, I think it is 7,000. Please cross check once, Shiva Shankar. 1 minute. Let me check. Because it is a weekend batch, right? Right. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm everyone. If everything is clear, I will start. I think no, you can check. In the website also it is mentioned with 7,000 rupees only. Please cross check once. Is there clear explanation of if and else? See, we are going to cover max concept, max programs, okay, on if conditions, how the functionality of if else is going to work. So everything with the diagrammatic explanation I will provide. If you want, you can see, I will show you the running batch of one class. Okay, so that you can get clarity. Yes, you can see here everything clearly. I'm going to type. Even we are going to copy paste output of every program. Okay, so here you can see. Someone asked if conditions, right? So have a look once how this if conditions are going to be explained. Yeah, you can see. So control flow statements. So how these if conditions are there for every if condition, what is the syntax, and supporting programs also we are going to give. Okay. Will you give in-depth knowledge of threads, collections, JDK 8, 9, 10, etc. features? See, in every Java, in every new version of Java, of course, new features will be there, but some benchmarks will be there. Java 8 features are important, but Java 9, 10, these features are a small features only. As a programmer point of view, you can learn by yourself, not required, but that much in-depth concepts are not there in latest versions. But minimum we are going to cover 10 to 15 new Java features which came in all versions. Okay, but multi-threading, in-depth knowledge we are going to cover, and even collections, because collections is the main important topic for any programmer. Those who are coming from Java background, you must have a strong idea on collections. Yes, we are going to cover in depth every method we are going to cover. Can you show the syllabus, which will be required, which will be covered? Yeah, sure, I am going to show you the syllabus. Right, sir. So coming to the syllabus, sir, what things we are going to cover as a part of this Java? Okay, so have a look once. These are the 4 parts of Java which I am going to cover in our batch, sir. Okay, yes, you can see here. So in the part 1, fundamentals, Java fundamentals. Okay, sir, who introduced Java? If I want to prepare any Java program, how we are going to write the code? So what are the steps to execute Java program? So how the Java program format is fixed. So what are the data types, everything, softwares which are required, Java program format, data types, variables, type conversions, literals, comments, naming conventions, input output statements, operators, selection statements, transfer statements, inner loops, pattern programs, and strings, especially. So I told, right, some 100 programs we are going to give those programs in hacker rank. So in that hacker rank link, you can able to execute. So for that, no need to install any Java software. Of course, how it is going to work, I will explain you in our upcoming sessions. Okay, maybe tomorrow I will show you how it is going to work. And in second part, we are going to concentrate on oops, which is very, very important, especially for interviews. So how these oops concepts came, what are the main building blocks of oops, how this oops terminology is going to work, everything I will correlate to the real time examples, and I am going to explain for you people. Okay, so like introduction to oops, classes and objects, accessing private data means what, methods, types of methods, recursion, method signature, variables, methods, blocks, constructors. So method of overloading, maybe I think you have heard about this method of overloading, method of overriding. These are very, very important terminologies. Okay, and inheritance, what is the relationship between the classes, super keyword, final keyword, inner classes, abstract, access modifiers, everything. And there are some predefined inbuilt APIs are there, like regular expressions. Suppose if I want 1 minute. So if I want to check whether the given mobile number is a valid mobile number or not, sir, how we can able to check? By using regular expressions. Okay, then so that regular expressions, how you can able to build everything we are going to cover. What is mean by exception handling? Sir, how you are going to handle the runtime errors? What is mean by multi-threading? Okay, how to execute multiple threads parallelly in detail concepts, reflection API, enum, collection framework, which is also called as data structures in Java, and file handling, JDBC, Java database connectivity, and there are some utility classes are there. So then a small mini projects which are required for this batch. And part 4, Java new features. Okay, from which version? From 1.8 to till now. Sir, any important features I am going to collect? Sir, I will collect 10 new features. Of course, we have already there. So just we are going to cover these features for your understanding purpose. Okay, this is nothing but the syllabus what we are going to cover as a part of our curriculum. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Do you want to talk anything regarding this syllabus? Please confirm, friends. If no doubts, acknowledge me so that we can continue. Networking concepts won't be covered here. Those things will be in advanced concepts. Shivashankar, we are not going to cover any networking related. Okay. Yeah, inner classes will be there. Inner classes will be there. You can see. Samir. Yeah, wrapper classes also will be there. That will comes under these utility classes, like integer, floating point, boolean, everything will be there here. Okay, clear? No, garbage collection in depth we are not going, just at outline. So we are going to see what is mean by garbage collection, how that garbage collection is going to work. At the outline we are going to see. Yes, stream API will comes under file handling. Mayur. Samir, in the collection framework only we are going to cover generics. Okay. JVM architecture changes in older and newer versions. No, no, we are not going in detail into that theory part. Mauli. Yeah, all stream methods we will cover. Okay, in detail we are not going related theory concepts like garbage collection, okay, JVM architecture. So but what it is going to do, that we will cover. Okay, because this is a programmatic course rather than theoretical. Do you provide any Java programs for interviews topic wise? No, 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 topic wise interview questions will be covered, but not programs. See, they won't ask the programs on each topic. Okay, so that will be mixed programs will be there, but make sure that if you attend all these classes and if you are going to practice the programs whatever we are going to cover, that will be more than sufficient. Suppose if they are asking while loop, you should be in a position to explain that while loop syntax, and so writing a program in that is also very very important. Clear, Samir? Yeah, anyway, I'm going to cover almost all the programs with the solutions. Looping flow. Yeah, that part is also there, right? You can see here. Inner loops and the pattern programs. Pattern programs in the sense stars like that only. Okay. Any queries, friends? Still any queries? Right, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. So let me continue. Okay, let me continue related to this Java. Sir, I'm not going for in detail. Okay, I'm not going for in detail. Just what is what. So today, just as a demo session, we are going to cover the basics of Java, how you can able to write your first Java program. Okay, how you can able to write your first Java program, we are going to cover now. Okay, don't worry. So you will get much clarity on these concepts itself. Okay, sir, first of all, before moving to this, what is Java? What is Java? So we know Java is a programming language. A Java is nothing but a programming language by using which, so we can develop applications. We can develop applications. Sir, best example, I think only one example is sufficient to understand what is the power of Java. Sir, Android. Sir, Android operating system is working so based on Java only. Okay, sir, from this you can get clarity, sir, how much Java is useful in your life. Okay, so if you want to become a programmer or if you want to become any software developer, sir, anything, compulsory you must have logical thinking, sir. Okay, logical thinking is very very important. Okay, sir, if you are very good, at most 80% I can able to think the problem and I can able to find the solution, means then it is a sufficient, happily you can sustain in the IT industry. Okay, so the main purpose of Java is nothing but, based on Java we are having so many applications which are running in the current market, sir. This is the reason why everyone is trying to learn Java. Okay, then this Java is available in three forms. The Java is available in three forms. One is Java, sir, standard edition. Java standard edition, which is called as J2SE. Second one, Sir, Java, okay, sir, Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Sir, what is the meaning of this Enterprise Edition? Enterprise Edition, sir, some people may use the word called J2EE, Java 2 Standard, sorry, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. In our terminology, Advanced Java. Sir, Java, next one is nothing but Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. Some people may use mobile also. Sir, Micro Edition. Sir, this is called as J2ME. Okay, but of course, in our syllabus, we are going to learn J2SE, which is nothing but core Java. So, before moving to the advanced Java concepts, compulsory you must have a strong knowledge on core Java. Okay, without building blocks, you can't construct remaining things, sir. So this will provide the basic environment. So how you can able to prepare a Java program, sir, how you can able to compile. Suppose if I want to perform a small arithmetic calculations, how you are going to design the program. Okay, so how to read information from the user, how you can able to write into the database, so how to prepare a class, how to prepare a method. Okay, so what are the relevant activities that you need to perform, how you can able to establish the communication between these modules, everything we are going to cover in core Java. But in advanced Java, all these things, that application will comes under picture, sir, like web application, desktop applications, enterprise applications. Like there are n number of applications are there, sir. We can utilize those applications. Okay, we can utilize those applications in our J2SE, sorry, J2EE or J2ME, like that. So this is nothing but the main thing what we have, sir. Okay, who invented Java? Okay, sir, this Java is introduced by James Gosling. Okay, James Gosling. Okay, sir, James Gosling, and we can say team members. So they have introduced Java for us, sir. In which year? In 1989, sir, they came up with this Java. But initially, the name of the Java is not Java, sir. Initially, this programming language is called as OAK programming. Okay, so OAK programming. So, but with this name, already some company is registered. That's why. So they need to change this name from OAK to, okay, OAK to Java. Okay, Java means it is nothing but a coffee seed name, sir. Okay, don't assume that it is any other like Python, a snake name like that. Don't worry at all. But OAK means it is nothing. Sorry, Java means it is nothing but a coffee seed name. In that country, that coffee seeds are very famous. Okay, so that is the reason why they have kept this coffee cup symbol as a logo, okay, of this Java. You can see the logo of the Java is nothing but so coffee cup symbol with the saucer. If you want 1 minute, I will show you the logo of Java. I have one image is there, my wallpaper somewhere. Yes, let me open this. Maybe you know very well about this. Yeah, have you observed here? So this is nothing but logo of Java, sir. Yes. So coffee cup symbol with saucer. Okay. So this is nothing but so how the name Java came. Then, sir, how many versions of Java is available? Okay. How many versions of Java is available? Very simple, sir. We have almost 18 versions are there, sir. Okay. Sir, Java 1.0 is the first version, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, sir, 1.5. Okay. From that, they have mentioned like Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, 9, so 10, 11, so 12, 13, 14, sir, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the latest version is nothing but Java 18, sir. I think Java 18 released. Yes, let me check. So next, sir, these versions are there. What is the difference between one version to another version? Sir, it is just like updates on any operating system. If you take your mobile, Okay, or if you take your laptop, okay, laptop, generally what you are going to do, sir, on weekends or whenever you are getting time, you will keep it for updates. That means what, if any new feature is there, so it will be more interesting on your mobile, or if you are facing any bugs on the operating system, you can write a query for that company. So they are going to, if that based on that query, if n number of clients are facing that issue, they are going to resolve that particular problem, and they will release that as a modified thing on your next operating system. Okay, like that, I mean next update, like that we are getting updates, right? In the same way we are having these Java versions. Suppose if you take Java 1.4, okay, sir, we have one small concept is there, except except primitives, except primitives, all are objects in Java. Sir, Java people are having some issues with the help of this. Sir, in Java, if you prepare any application, we are going to use the word called object, object, object. Every time I'm using the word called object, sir, except some primitives. So is there any facility that if you convert these primitives into objects, so that everything will be treated as an object? Yes, that concept came in Java 1.5 version. Okay, what is that concept? Wrapper classes. This is introduced in 1.5 version. So up to 1.4 version, everything is not an object. But from 1.5 version in Java, we can say everything is nothing but an object. Okay, like this we have. So you can able to find out the difference between version to version in this manner. Okay, we can able to find the difference between version to version in this style. So beyond that, nothing is there, sir. Okay, next, sir, if I want to prepare any Java application, so where we have to download this Java software, all these things, sir, previously, so we have yes, sir, we have communication with this particular famous company, that is nothing but a Sun Microsystems. Later it has been changed to Oracle, sir. Now if you want to download any Java related softwares or anything, you have to go to which website, sir? Oracle website. If you want just 1 minute, I will show you from where we can download this Java software. Yeah, let me go with, so Java, or I will go with Sun Microsystems. Otherwise, let me open Oracle. Yes, this is the main website. From here you can able to download. Okay, this is the Oracle main page, sir. Sir, here of course it is a big company. Just go to products. Okay, we have to select the products. In these products, sir, we have n number of products are there. Here we need to check the programming language, which is nothing but Java. Click on this, it will redirect to Java. So here everything about this Java is available. Okay, everything about the Java is available. So if you want to download, you can go to download Java button. Sir, here you can able to see Java 18 and Java 17 are available now. So if you want, you can select Java 18 or Java 17. So in this, which platform you are working? If it is a Linux platform, Mac OS, Windows, of course we are working on Windows, you can select 64-bit installer. Automatically that installation is going to be run. But anyway, so I will show you how you can able to install Java software. Don't worry at all, sir. In addition to this Java software, so what softwares are required? Okay, so softwares required, so for Java course, I can say, so very simple, sir. First we are going to work with Notepad. Notepad means I can say it is an editor, and even you have to take a command prompt also. So these two softwares by default available with every operating system. then you need to download Java latest version. You have to download Java latest version from your system, and then you have to install. So then, to get more practice and to get auto completions, of course I never recommended, but meanwhile we are going to use some IDEs also. Sir, what IDEs we have? Sir, we have Eclipse IDE is there. So we have NetBeans IDE is there. So we have IntelliJ IDE is there. Like this, we have n number of editors are there. You can use any editor to run the programs. Okay, sir, here not only Notepad, if you want, you can use Notepad plus plus editor. Okay, or Edit plus is there. Okay, or VS Code we have, anything you can use, sir. So these softwares are mandatory, but as of now, try to download the latest version of Java and install. Anyway, in our upcoming classes I will show you how to download and how to install, but these IDs are optional. But I will explain any one or two topics based on these IDs, because so in collection framework, or when we are connecting with the database, so we are having some issues, so that we can resolve by using these IDs. Anyway, those things will be covered in IDs. Okay, this is nothing but the softwares which are required to execute our Java programs. So please confirm up to this. If you are having any queries, we will solve that queries and then we will continue. So please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes. If you have any queries, please raise. If no queries, please give me acknowledgement. Right? Everything is clear, I think so. Sir, please respond everyone. Right, sir. So now our requirement is nothing but I will go with some basic programs for you to understand. Okay, I will go with some basic programs for you to understand. Okay, sir, sample Java program. Okay, sample Java program. Okay, sample Java program creation and execution. Anyway, so there was some steps are there, like what is the first step, what is the second step, that we will cover in our next scenario. I mean, next tomorrow's class we will discuss, because here I don't want to go for in depth. Just I want to give the clarity how a simple Java program will be. Sir, whenever we are doing the program, what we will do? Sir, write a Java program. So to print which message? To print, sir, hello world on the screen. Right? This is the best program that we are going to see in every programming language. The first program is nothing but this one only, right? Let us see how you can able to prepare this program and how you can able to do that. For that, I am taking a notepad. Okay, I'm taking a notepad. Here I will write the program. So you know very well, every programming language is going to start execution from main. Every programming language is going to start execution from main method. Okay, so I will write those words also. What is the purpose of main? So it is used to execute. Okay, or I can say, so program execution starts from main function, or some people may use the word called method. Every program execution is going to starts from main method or main function. So since it is a function, the syntax of the function is nothing but like this we will have. So here we are going to write some set of instructions. So in this parenthesis, you can see this parenthesis. Inside this, if you want, you can send the value. Maybe if I want to send any integer value, we will take integer A. If you want to send any floating point value, you can take floating point A. Sir, in the same way, but in Java, it is going to accept the string in the form of like this. Okay, so string args is nothing but input name, and this empty brackets indicates an array. So we are going to send input in the form of arrays. Okay, we are going to send the input in the form of arrays. All the elements in the array is nothing but of type string. Okay, now I will document these things. So what about args? What about args? So it is an array, so which contains, it is an array which contains inputs, sir. Okay, so what about the string here? So all Java arguments are of type string. Every Java argument is of type string. That's why we are going to take string array args. In front of this main method, we have to take void, sir. Void means what? Return type. Every function, okay, every function compulsory it has to return anything. So maybe some functions are going to return integer value, some functions are going to return floating point, but in Java our main function is going to return void. So main does not return, okay, main does not return any value. That is the indication why we kept void, sir. Okay, these are nothing but about main method in Java. Of course, still we have some decorations are there. That part we will discuss. Okay, sir, please confirm up to this. Do you have any doubts? A simple program format I explained. Clear, right? Right. But so Java main method is going to take some parameters here. Okay, Java main method is going to take some parameters here. So what parameters it is going to take? Very simple. It is going to take two words here. One is nothing but, it is nothing but public, and the second one is nothing but static. Okay, sir, why we are using the word called public? Why you are using the word called public? Sir, it is okay. Once if we declare, okay, once we declare as a public, from anywhere, okay, from anywhere we can access. This is the meaning. Okay, if any method is declared as a public, from anywhere we can access. Because you know that Java is a distributed technology. That means what? We have to prepare program in one system, and we are going to execute that particular program from any client mission. Okay, that's why, sir, to give the accessibility for the clients, they can access from anywhere means, sir, you can able to declare that particular method as which word, sir? Public. Public means from anywhere we can access. Okay, from anywhere we can access. Sir, what about static? Okay, so without help of, see, in Java, any data is available in your hand, so that means we are going to take any message here or anywhere. If you are defining any data in Java, if you want to touch that Java, object must be required. If you want to touch anything in Java, object must be required. Sir, I want to write a program to perform addition of two numbers. I have written some small piece of code. If you want to access that piece of code, compulsory you should create an object, and then by using that object only you have to access. That means you should be an instance of that class. Remember this point very well. But main method is just for executing the programs, not to play any games. That's why, sir, this main method should be declared as a static. If anything is declared as a static, without object, we can access. Okay, we can access this data without object help, because of using this keyword. So if any method is declared as a static, without object we can access, sir. This is the main method syntax. And if I want to write any instruction in C language, we are going to use printf hello world, like this we will use. Okay, but if you take a C++, so we are going to use something like C out hello world, like this. Okay, like this. So if you take Python, we are going to use the print statement. Okay, sir, what about Java? So we are going to take system.out.println of, so we are going to print the message called like this, system.out.println of that message we are going to take here. This is the way how you can able to write output statement in Java. Of course, we are writing Java, that's why I don't want all these things. That's all. So what is the meaning of s.o.p? In simple format, it is an output. It is nothing but an output format, okay, which is used to display anything on the screen. We are going for SOP. Next, sir, still one more thing is there. So compulsory, you must take any one class. Within that class only, you have to run the program, sir. Assume this class name I am taking as Sunday. Okay, I have taken like this. So what is the meaning of this? I told, right, everything must be surrounded inside the object oriented principle. In the same way, main method also should be declared within the class. So if you want to touch main method, compulsory you require to take the permission from this class. But anyway, that main method is a static, that's why directly we can call. Suppose if a static is not there, you must create an object for Sunday class and you have to access. This is the meaning of class. This is the meaning of class. That is nothing but something related to the object oriented principle. Sir, what is the meaning of class here? So class is nothing but sir, an object oriented, or I can say an oops concepts, an oops concept. That's all. So this is nothing but a simple Java program, sir. Sir, I have typed the program. What is my next requirement? Go to file, select save. In any location you can save the file. In any location you can save the file. Assume I am opening the program in C drive. I am opening the program in C drive, or let me take a D drive. In D drive I want to save the program. Sir, what file name you have to take? Sir, I am taking sunday.java within double quotations. Now press enter. Now you have to open D drive. Sir, is that what is the file name that you have given? Sunday.class is there or not? Have a look once. Sorry, sunday.java is there or not? Have a look once. You can see here. Sir, it is a Java file, 105 bytes. Just now it got created. Yes, my Java program is ready. Okay. Sir, how to execute this Java program is a very, very important target, sir, for us, because that is our first program, right? I have given the complete explanation. Sir, already in my system, Java is installed. That's why simply open this command prompt. In every operating system, this command prompt will be available. Simply open this command prompt and select D drive. Okay, and select D drive. Sir, I opened the D drive. Then in D drive only we have file, Java file is there. So if you have saved in F drive, you have to select F drive. So if you have saved that file in C drive, you have to open C drive. Or in C drive, if you have created any folder, in our upcoming classes, I will tell you, sir, how to create a folder. So how to enter into that folder, how you can able to execute. Sir, we have to do two steps for this. One is nothing but so compilation, and second one is nothing but execution. So compilation will check in that program whatever you have written, is there any error or not? If there is no error, actually you have written the code in your understandable format, but mission can't understand these words, right? That's why, so to convert it into mission understandable code and to execute, we need to go for execution phase. In the compilation phase, it will check is there any error or not. If there is no error, it will give that as a input to next processor. So for compilation, we have to use one command, and for execution, we have to use another command. Let us see which command we are using for compilation purpose and which command we are using for execution purpose. Sir, the command used for compilation is nothing but javac. Okay, javac. What is the file name that we have given? Sunday.java. Let me run. If there is no error, it returns to the next command prompt. Okay, sir, you can see there is no error. Suppose in your program, If you have taken any error, assume I have not ended with semicolon. I saved the file. Sir, now you can see there is one error saying semicolon is expected. Then you have to debug the program. Like this, you have to check. Then how to execute the program? Java space, that file name alone you have to use. Don't give .java. Okay, sir, simply we are going to take Java space Sunday. If you press enter, whatever code you have written there, as it is going to be printed on the screen. This is the way how you can able to write your simple Java program and how you can able to run your Java code, sir. Okay, so with example I have explained you, sir, how to create a simple Java program and how to execute. But please make sure, maybe some students may not get this, but don't worry. Once if you go beyond the classes, so we are going to do so many programs there. I will explain what type of error messages we are going to get, and one by one we will get it. Okay, sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, everyone. Clear, right? Ayo, no doubt. Yes, I am giving permission for you to speak also. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Right, sir. So this is the way how you can able to write a simple Java program. Okay, right, very good. Sir, now my next requirement is I want to demonstrate two more programs for you to understand. Okay, so what is the next program is, sir, can you please print, okay, can you please print a message, sir, 10 times. I want to print a message 10 times. So I never recommended this notepad. So we have one separate editor is there called Edit Plus. This is the Edit Plus editor. Sir, here, if you install this Edit Plus, automatically you are going to get, sir, a new programming format. From this, if you want, you can go with C program. By default, skeleton will be there. If you want, you can go with Java program. By default, skeleton will be there. The only modification is nothing but you have to add extra things. Like assume the file name I am giving, I mean the class name I am giving test. Sir, I am taking a for loop. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So I'm going to print this message. How many times, sir? 10 times. So that is the use of this for loop. Of course, we will get it in further concepts. Just I am trying to explain. For integer value I is equal to 1, the counter is going to starts from 1 until it is less than or equal to 10. Until it is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. That means it will start printing the value from 1. Next time it is 2. Next time it is 3. So 4 less than or equal to 10. 5 less than or equal to 10. How many times it will satisfy? Up to 10, right? Whenever the value of I will become 11, 11 less than or equal to 10 is going to fail, it will stop. So 10 times we are getting this message. Let me print in this place. I am printing my name, Prakash. Sir, if you first we have to save the file. I'm going to save this file in D drive. So I'm giving the file name as a test.java. Let us compile the code. Sir, how to compile the code? Just now I told. So Java C test.java I'm taking. The code compiles fine. Okay, then how to execute the program? Java space test I'm taking. If you press enter, you can see that message came how many times? 10 times. This is the way how you can able to execute a simple Java program, okay, which is printing a message how many times? 10 times. So you can write based on your requirement, it will print. Okay, it is going to print based on your requirement. Okay, so hope the concept is very clear for you people, sir. I hope you got at least some idea how you can able to execute the program. Do you have any doubts up to this? Clear up to this? Please confirm. Right, sir. So this is about today's session. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Okay, remaining things we will continue tomorrow as usual at 8 o'clock. Okay.